Hi there, my name is Victoria and I'm a watercolor artist, stationery designer, and creator of Do Tell a Belle. And today I'm going to share with you my coffee bridal shower theme in watercolor shades of pink from my Love is Brewing collection. Take a behind the scenes peek and watch how this design comes together. From watercolor pink stripes to the brown coffee elements, each piece is meticulously crafted, making our invitations, greeting cards, and party decoration kits unique. Also available in this Love is Brewing theme are decorative signage, balloons, and candle favors personalized with the bride's name. Most items are on sale, and you can check them out at the links in the description area below. If you don't see what you're looking for, you can always message me. I'm always happy to help. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to help me grow my small business, give me a thumbs up and share this with somebody planning a bridal shower. Your support means the world to me, and it goes a long way in helping me to grow my business.